Winter preparation. Protect your home and save money. Are you ready to brave the winter? While many of us dread the colder months and the potential storms, there's good news. Taking proactive steps now can safeguard your home and save you money. The experts at Consumer Reports offer their top tips to ensure your home and yard are winter ready, providing valuable insights to help you stay warm and avoid costly repairs. The benefits of early winter preparation. Consumer Reports' Paul Hope emphasizes the advantages of being prepared. Getting a head start on winter can significantly reduce your energy bills and prevent unnecessary repairs. A simple example is a burst pipe. Protecting it now costs just a few dollars, but neglecting it could lead to a costly repair later in the winter. Insulating your home. Start by insulating exposed copper or PVC pipes in your basement, under sinks, in attics, crawl spaces, and along exterior walls. This simple step can prevent pipes from freezing and bursting, saving you from potential disasters. Insulating your attic is also crucial. It not only keeps heat in living areas, but also prevents ice dams from forming on your roof, which can cause significant damage. By addressing these issues now, you'll save money and avoid costly repairs later. Service appointments and safety checks. Schedule service appointments for your chimney, furnace, or boiler before the colder weather arrives. Regular inspections and maintenance ensure they operate efficiently and safely. This proactive approach can prevent accidents and costly repairs during the winter. Outdoor maintenance. Don't forget the outdoors. Inspect your roof for loose shingles and clean clogged gutters to prevent water damage. Additionally, examine the trees around your property. Winter's wind, rain, and snow can cause significant damage if not properly secured. Consider hiring professionals for inspections and repairs to ensure everything is in top shape. Generator preparation. Now is the perfect time to ensure your generator is ready for stormy weather. By taking these steps, you can enjoy the winter season from the comfort of your well-prepared home. For more winter preparedness tips, check out the following resources. Home maintenance checklist by month. Safe generator operation during power outages. Winter-ready vehicle tips. Winter weather safety tips. Winter preparation for your family, car, and home.